we just performed our bilateral explant with a history of capsular contracture. We also did a breast lift and bilateral re-augmentation with our implants. And I'm going to show you the capsule that we found. On one side, it is hard and crispy. You can see the white, and you see the white on the inside. That's the calcification. And then I'm going to cut it just so you can kind of see how crispy and hard it is. So definitely make sure, ladies, when your implants are in, we don't want to keep them longer than that 10 to 15 year mark, because this is what happens. The implants get very encapsulated. That's definitely a possible thing that can happen. And here's the other side. Irritated capsule, but not necessarily calcified like the other side, just a little area. And so that's it. Stay tuned and check out her before and after pictures. She looks great and she's going to feel so much better.